Welcome back. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, when doctors push to raise awareness that early detection through mammograms and other checkups can save lives.
But what if there were a vaccine to help prevent breast cancer from developing in the first place? Fox 12's Paulina Aguilar introduces us to one Providence oncologist who's been working for years to try to make that happen.
The Cancer Immunoprevention Laboratory at Providence Cancer Institute has been working on developing a breast cancer vaccine for almost a decade now. Oncologist Dr. Stanton is on the front lines of the work.
What I want to teach your body with a vaccine is don't bring down the immune response and try to heal it. Try to eliminate it before it develops into invasive disease. Then, if you ever encounter invasive disease down the road, your body will also will develop memory so that it could eliminate it, just like when you're vaccinated for COVID.
Currently, Dr. Stanton and her team are testing in preclinical models. These are breast cancer cells grown in a plate.
They're kind of irregularly shaped, and they will get to the point that they'll grow up into a mound just because they don't have the signals that our normal cells have to stop growing. We can use these tumor cells to test things.
Dr. Stanton also sees and treats cancer patients who are excited about her work.
The number of women that just say, sign me up, I'll do this. I want to extend knowledge for patients, for people coming up behind me, is just incredible. Our patients are our hugest assets and the most strong women I ever knew.
Dr. Stanton's vaccine would be tested in breast cancer patients first, and it would take years and more trials for it to be used on more women.
We have to make sure that it doesn't impact fertility, it doesn't impact carrying a child, it's very safe. Then the ideal would be going into a high-risk population that didn't have cancer to prevent them from ever even developing it.
Dr. Stanton says she hopes to get to early phase trials in 5 years.
If I could even reduce people getting invasive breast cancer and having to get the chemos and the radiation and the mastectomies and the really invasive things that we have to do to people right now, I would consider that a win.
Paulina Aguilar, Good Day, Oregon.